morning everyone, and today we are going to do a brown eye look. This is the one I wanted to do quite a bit of time because this is again one another easy one to do, but it gives a nice smoky look instead of doing a black again. So the first step will be always I do a rustic brown shadow sense as my eyeliner for any eye look basically, because the shadow sense gives you all day wear. At the same time, you don't need a ton of products, so it makes it easier. So how I do is I first comb my hair. If you can see, mine is almost full, so I don't need lot to fill in. So I just take a little bit from here and I just start to fill in my eyebrows actually. So you can pretty much do black or even our eyebrow pens, our eyeliner pencils, but I like how the finish of a shadow sense gives, because it's cream to powder, so that way it stays all day. At the same time, it's not like a glossy finish and it's more of a powdery finish. So I like to do the shadow sense for my eyebrows, and once I finish, I just like to comb it again. That way it's evenly spread. Next step is color correction. So anytime when you do an eye look, you need something to color correct your eyes, so that way you have a clean base. So here I am going to do natural tan. So that's actually perfectly goes with my skin tone. You can use candlelight, you can use a medium concealer, so pretty much you can use anything that closer to your skin tone. So here I am just going to apply it all over my eyelid, and that's going to give a clean base actually. So even if you are not doing any eyeshadows, if you are just going to do an eyeliner and mascara, you can still do this. That way you have like a clean base, and it's more of a color correction. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a crease color. So here I'm going to do slate, which is like what is it, like it's a matte shade. You can do mocha java too. Here you can do mocha java shimmer. So since the color is going to have a little bit of shimmer, you can do either way. So it's basically how you like the color to show up. So when you work with shadow sense, always start very small and then work on it. So here I'm going to just place a tiny drop and just I'm going to blend it in my crease. I have a hooded eye, so I like to take it a little bit higher than my crease. That way it will give you an illusion that you can still see the color. If I do it on my eye closer to my original crease, then when I lift my eyelids, then you cannot see the color. So I like to always take it a little bit higher. So here I'm just going to blend it in my crease, and always make sure you take the same shade on your lower lid too. So I'm just going to blend it to my lower lashes. These are really easy to work with, and you don't need to do 2 or 3 shades. If you are not comfortable, you can always do one shade all over the lid, and then once you are comfortable doing that, then you can slowly add more colors to your eye looks. So the next shade we are going to do is Candid Cocoa Shimmer. This is released as a what is it, like it it released as a limited edition, but since it got sold out and very popular, they brought it back to permanent edition. It's such a really nice brown with shimmers to it. So I'm going to do it as a all over lid shade. So I'm going to take a tiny bit and just apply it all over my lid color. So these shades blend really well, and as I said, Candid Cocoa Shimmer you can use just as a one color for all over lid color too. Anytime you do more than one shade, go back with the brush that you have used priorly and just blend out where these two shades meet. That way you won't have any harsh lines, and it will be easy to blend them together. So here you have one matte color and one shimmer shade. So just blend out where they meet, and we are also going to do the Candid Cocoa Shimmer to the lower lid too. When it comes to shadow sense, this brush is just more of an applicator unless you need more, but I always prefer to use the brush. That way you have control over it, because shadow sense a little goes a long way, so you don't need ton, because once you add too much of product, then it's hard to blend and it will look claky. So you need to take a very small amount and build the shade. If you feel like, for example, if you need more of this, you will go back and add one more layer, but don't take too much at one time. If you like Candid Cocoa Shimmer, we carry many of these kind of browns with shimmer. We have Mocha Java Shimmer and Glitter. We have, what is this one? This is Brownstone Shimmer. We have Smoke Shimmer. So there are plenty of shades that can work similar to this kind. To add a little bit more of smokiness to the corner, here I'm going back with the Rustic Brown, which I have used for eyebrows. I'm going to add it at the corners. With Shadow Sense, that's the cool benefit. Like with the same color, you can pretty much use in multiple ways. You can use it as a lip color, you can use it as a blush, you can use it for your contour. So here I'm going to take the Rustic Brown, a tiny bit of it, and I'm just going to add it at the corners alone. So that way it will become a little darker at the ends, and that gives a nice smoky look when you open your eyes. Add a little bit of brown to your lower lids too, and that will that way you can see the difference between where we made it a little darker to just one lid at the color. So that is how we add the colors that coordinate really well. For example, I think I have showed burgundy. For example, if you don't want it to be too dark, you can do burgundy, or you can do garnet, or if you want more smokier, you can do onyx, which is our black. So that's it. This is the eye look, and today I'm going to use the black lash extend as my eyeliner. I think I have done a separate video where I talked about how you can use this to make your lashes grow, and since we have clear and black, the black anytime I can use it as my eyeliner too. So that's the one I'm going to do for today. It works exactly like our black eyeliner, so that way it doesn't look any different. So if you are a person who likes liquid liners, then you can either grab our lash extend or our liquid eyeliners. Both will work the same way. So since I did eyeliner on, the lash extend on top, I'm going to do the pencil liner in my waterline. You can do both up and down. So here I'm going to do just the bottom lashes alone in my waterline. I have already done the like rustic brown here, that is giving the smoky look, and adding the liner in the waterline again gives it. Here you can always lift your eyes and do it on your upper waterline too. So it's always your preference on how you like it. So, and you can do the same pencil liner on top as well. It is basically how convenient you are, or how what is your preference. I like to use the pencils in my waterline because they glide very smooth. In fact, you can use the same rustic brown in your waterline too. So that way you can have one color and you can finish the look. So then let's go ahead and do my 3-in-1 lash primer and finish it off with our non-waterproof mascara. I did finish my eye look, and for my lips today I'm going to do Amber Spice, and I'm going to top it with the Ginger Snap. This is a smaller size when it came last year with the mini glosses, so it's small, but this year they have introduced along with the cranberry red color, which is in the medium size. So it's not big, it's not going to be small. So that's the color I'm going to do. Let me finish the lip look. So I did finish my eye look. So this is the very simple eye look if you love browns. So it's slate in the crease, Candid Cocoa Shimmer all over the lid, and rustic brown in the outer corner. In fact, any one of these shades you can use as a all over lid color anytime. So versatile it is. And for lips, I have used the Amber Spice Lip Sense with Ginger Snap Glass. If you are looking for gifts for teens or kids, these are really perfect. I always love to give this to teachers because I can get us a set and I can split them into different ones, or even to friends. This makes it easier to add to anybody. So that way they have like a small glass, but it's not a Lip Sense color, so it is like easy to wear all day. At the same time, it's going to be really moisturizing. So hope you enjoyed the look. If you recreate it, please do share anytime. Have a wonderful day.